been here for a few years now, but we just purchased this building a few years ago, so I just wanted to show it off and show you how awesome our agents are here, and that they have a beautiful place to bring their customers and to come and do awesome business here at REMAX. So here is our parking lot and our signage on a busy road, and so we get a lot of walk-ins and call-ins since we're right here in the heart of Clermont. We have the phone number here, 1833. We sell homes. We have great signage. At night, everything is lit up nice and beautiful. Our parking lot is all repaved, new bumpers, beautiful building to bring it home. So come on in and let's share. We're entering our red doors. And this is our office manager, our compliance director, Pierre Arbini, and he is in charge of everything. He runs this operation. And this is like our conversation area. This is our lobby area where agents can come and have conversations and do videos and do video chats and just like have real estate conversations. Maybe bring in vendors like home warranty companies and inspectors, and bring in lenders to have some meet on common ground and have some great conversation right here in this beautiful lobby. Over here, we also have property management, full service property management company. We service about 80 accounts. We've had this company for maybe about 10 years now, and it is awesome. And then we also have a full service handyman service, Clutch Home Services. So this company is able to supply and help any of our customers that need handyman work done before they list their house, or maybe do some slight repairs after inspection. So this is so nice that we have this in-house handyman services called Clutch Home Services. And then over here, where Pierre is, we have one of our top agents in this office. And then over here, you have lots and lots of REMAX decor, all of everyone's business cards. We do awards, and then we also have the bell over here. So when someone has a closing, they ring the bell. And we get lots of pictures for social media. Over here is where Steve and I, we're husband and wife team. We've owned the business together. We're both broker owners. This is Steve, and we share this office together when we're here. And then this is one of our top agents in this office. And one of our top agents are in this office. And then we also have remodeled this whole building. So we did new floors, new paint, and Clutch Home Services did a lot of the services. And then we have two beautiful remodeled bathrooms. And over here we have an agent that we made this office here. And then here's a pictures of all the agents. And then here we call this our, like a bullpen area, our area where agents can come and go as they please, and just like come if they don't have a physical office, but they just want to spend an hour or two here, maybe get some free leads, get some walk-ins, get some call-ins. So they hang out in here. And then over here, we have another remodeled bathroom and a beautiful hallway to go into our training center. And then back here, we also have 4 agents back here that are in this office. And then as you come over here to go to our training center, this is our training center to where all of our agents, like today, we're gonna have a training. And this is where everyone comes and trains and learns. We do Zoom. You can bring your customers here to go on the MLS and to search for properties. We have a whiteboard. We have our Zoom camera. We have our podium. We also provide, REMAX gives us these awesome goodie bags for all of our customers. So whenever we have a closing, we give them this awesome little goodie bag. So they have the little incidentals to use when they go into their new home. And then over here, we also have a prize cabinet. So when all the agents arrive and they put in their business cards into the bin, one person gets to win the prize in the bin. And we have lots of great prizes. We have hats and shirts and lots of great stuff, water bottles, all that kind of good stuff in here. And then over here is where we also have 4 other agents in this office. So, and then this is where they work, they come and go as they please. We don't have any floor time here at REMAX Titanium. So everyone has their own schedule and they come and go as they please. And we do lots and lots of trainings, lots of one-on-one time. And I just wanted to give you a tour of our beautiful, beautiful office here at REMAX Titanium. Thank you for joining us. And if you need to reach us at all, you can call us at 352-241-6363. That's our office number. And if you're interested in making a move and you're looking to grow your business, please give me a call personally at 352-396-0734, and we will have a private consultation about your business to see if REMAX Titanium would be a good fit for you or not. Thank you so much, and you have a beautiful day.